Alright people, so welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful morning. So Aston Villa Reggae Boy Leon Daly under investigation for assault. Pretty weird one, right? Pretty weird one. No, we don't know Leon Daly as that type of person. We don't know. But we're gonna get into details. I'm gonna read out all the details surrounding the assault, the claim of assault. We're gonna see if this makes sense or not, and leave you guys to put your one and two together. We won't do it for you guys anyway. So in the meantime, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're here for the first time. If you like content like these, make sure you turn on your notification bell to get consistent update. All right, so let's go. Exclusive. This I think Daily Mail and numerous outlets reporting the incident. So this is what I'm getting from the Daily Mail, and other they're reporting. It's basically the same stuff they're reporting, just using Daily Mail because they have more context to it. Exclusive. Aston Villa Leon Bailey is being investigated by police after a supporter accused him of assault after their 4-0 win over Everton. Police investigation. Fan accusation. Alright. A supporter accused Bailey of assaulting him after Aston Villa win over Everton. The incident is allegedly to have happened in the corporate boxes at Villa Park. And the corporate boxes, you know, big people in the corporate boxes. Bailey has been accused of pushing the Aston Villa supporter to the ground. Move out of my way. Aston Villa winger Leon Bailey is being investigated by the West Midlands police after a supporter accused him of assault. Well, that's just repetition. Let me read through this. This is what happened now. Listen to what they said happened. The incident is allegedly to have happened in the corporate box of Villa when a fan asked Leon Bailey to pose for a picture with his son, who was at the match to celebrate his 5th birthday. Yeah, then kind of showing the birthday party, just to appeal to the emotions. But Bailey refused, and the Villa fan is now accusing him of pushing him to the ground. Now the thing is, did he push the fan or the son? Well, he said push him to the ground. Oh, so basically the father. So is it the son or the father that Bailey pushed? Partly, maybe in context, they would say that a father, Bailey not push up no child. So sometimes fans are crazy, Sometimes fans are crazy, and the baller want get out of the place, just get enjoy a moment with his family, and then fans are bombarding him and stuff. But let's continue. The alleged incident is said to be to have been caught on CCTV and be seen by numerous witnesses. West Midlands police are looking into the matter but declined to give a comment when approached on Sunday night. The fan gave a statement at the scene. The security officer on site at Villa Park contacted the police about the alleged incident. The supporter and Bailey argued over the player's apparent reluctance to take a selfie with the man's son. Okay, so basically saying Bailey never really wanted to take the photo, or Bailey's behaving as if he didn't want to take the photo, and apparently the fan is fuming. That's the term that they use. The fan is upset about that. Aston Villa now looking to the incident. The club were approached for comment on Sunday night. So Villa haven't said anything on it as yet. So basically this alright, it's very easy. It's very easy for these things to come out, especially and the players are under a lot of pressure, because think about it. If it's 1,000 fans, if 1,000 fans got the opportunity to take a pic or get an autograph, or get an autograph, the 1,000 fans want that picture and they want that autograph. So imagine the player after a full 90 minutes of football, tired, extremely tired, despite he's happy because he's win. He's tired, want to go and have some rest, just want to go and just relax himself just a bit. And fans from all angles just coming at him, bombarding him, saying, hey, photo, pictures. I understand that it's a part of his job, it's a part of his role as a how can I put it now? as a football player, superstar, player that people look up to. It's a part of it. Part of its job to give the autograph and do the smile and greet and smile and it's a part of their professionalism. No, something could happen where Leon Bailey, there could be something, just hypothetically speaking, something could happen where Leon Bailey said could be not in that mood at that particular time, and the fan just adamant that he must take a photo with my son, and Leon Bailey just not in the mood, and the altercation happened, and even if Leon Bailey just push him out of the way, he probably fling down himself and just start behaving just boisterous, and even in the event he will start behaving boisterous, yeah, Leon Bailey won't stand around to do that. Because at that point in time, you don't really have don't have the energy to really party with that. Nevertheless, in the event that he shook the fan, no, that could be of a serious matter. But in the same sense, sometimes I do believe that most of the fans behave as if the players are robots, and they should do exactly and everything that they say. It's not easy. It's really, really not easy. It's unfortunate. The situation is unfortunate. The claim is unfortunate. I do hope that after investigation, it's not necessarily what the papers are being published. Make it seem as if Leon Bailey is a bad guy, because he's genuinely not. But I hope this just blow over, and everyone come to term in regards to where this is at. So it's just kind of slightly unfortunate, I would say. Tussle with arguing with supporter. Yeah, Leon Bailey argue supporter. Maybe might not put it past him, but you must have said something or come in contact with him to do something for that to happen. Most players don't really do that. Most players don't really do that, especially after a win and they're in a good mood. Most players. So something could have went down. Not declining or denying that the incident didn't happen, but something must have led to that incident, and it's important to do proper investigation here rather than just coming out and slam the player, because we're living in a cancel culture time right now where everything has to be. If you do one thing bad, you must be cancelled for it. The club not to play you back, and that kind of something there, because what? It's the cancel culture of the new modern generation of people, or kids, our football supporters. But hopefully this blow over and the justice prevail. If Leon Bailey is being wrongfully accused, the person who's been accusing Leon Bailey should definitely face some level of reparations. Is it reparation? Yeah, I think so. I think so. I probably used the word wrong. Anyway, and in the event Leon Bailey did add an altercation and went as far as to push the fan down, maybe that definitely might be somewhat a fine or something like that. But I think they're gonna just do that, work that out in the legal terms, legal aspect. So we'll see how that one proceeds. We'll see how it materializes, people. We'll definitely see. Just tell us what you think in the comment section. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time. This has been certainly a good one, people. MG Sports TV. And I'll see you guys again. We're out. Boom. Out.